So we are heading off to Blizzard Beach today, this afternoon shall I say. So we've just arrived at Blizzard Beach. We've literally got 2 hours to do stuff, so I better be quick. Hello. Just gonna quickly get changed and hit the pool quickly. Plan to make time to quickly go on that. I'm running solo because the girls don't want to go on anything. Man on a mission. Slusher gusher. Oh my god. Forever exercising. Up the stairs. Love how everything's snow themed. Feels like you're cold, but you're actually not, because it's like 32 degrees. I'm gutted this is shut. Really wanted to go on this. But never mind. Means I'll have to come back. I'm really puffed out, in case you haven't noticed. Whew. Nearly there. Couple more steps.
Keep your hands and feet inside the slide. When you reach the bottom, move to the side immediately. Oh, and just a reminder, to
plummet or slush gusher. For a safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you.
Even higher.
Wait for the lifeguard to give you the all clear. Then start sliding, keeping your hands
you can see Everest.
inside the slide.
Is Everest?
Bottom, side.
Oh my god, this is high. Nervous I am. Terrified of heights. Go on there and you're a guy, brace yourself, because that really hurt. Okay, next one. I don't know the name, so I'll tell you when I get there. If I get there.
By the way, anybody there under 40
Slusher
inches
gusher.
tall? If so, you're not tall enough for summit plummet or slush gusher. But you can take a trip down to T-Bush.
ride down summit plummet or slush gusher is a safe one. Lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. The lifeguard will give you the all clear, then you can go. Keep your hands and feet inside the slide. When you reach the bottom,
definitely got some air time on that one. I definitely flew up and down. I think that was bigger than it felt faster than the taller one. This one looks like fun. Let's go for it. Let's go, go, go. It's only a tiny one. Fine.
Ready, and here we go. One for the money, for the show. Three to get ready, and for the go!
Whee! And storm approaching, and they've shut everything. Or failed. But I've done 3 things. Oh, it's really windy. This guy is looking angry. Oh my god. I think everyone's about to leave. Oh my god, oh my god. They went live when they said the storm was coming.
Everybody run!
Everybody run! It is eating it down.
She's lost.
I love Florida rain. Don't you love it when I bring you to the park? Doesn't matter though, we're here to get wet anyway. I still had fun. It's going to be a short video, but had fun. May not be able to go on any rides and it's now shut. I get a cookie instead. Happy days.